of Dynamic Series. I want to welcome you to another wonderful and interesting episode of Dynamic Series today. I want to say thank you for watching, thank you for always supporting your girl all the time. Yeah, I wasn't able to drop video last week. Thank you for those of you that reached out to figure out what happened and all. I'd not been feeling fine, I was down with malaria, but now I'm better and I'm fine. Thank you. So if you're watching me for the first time, I want to say thank you for joining in, and I want to say I really do appreciate your support, and I want to beg you to please kindly subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for always being your girl, thank you for always supporting, but don't forget to share. And if you like whatever it is I do, please kindly thumbs up by giving me likes and ensuring that you share with people in your community. I want to get to know people in your community. So today we'll be doing part 2 to the first video we did upper week when we talk about why women breast sag. So today we'll be doing something on what to do to prevent breast sagging or remedies to breast sagging. So the first one on my list is, if you do smoke, you have to quit smoking. Yeah, smoking is not going to help you in any way. Smoking, as I've said the upper week, it destroys elastin, which is a protein that your body is supposed to produce so that your skin, your body can have supple. You get? So you have to quit smoking, and that would really help you so you don't lose elastin. The second thing that we can do, remedy to prevent the breast from sagging, is to ensure that we wear fitted and comfortable bra. This morning I know you'll be surprised that, okay, why do I look all like sweaty and all like dressed up for someone who is going for a road walk or trying to do my morning routine. Yeah, I'm doing my morning routine actually. So I really wanted to say something about people who do their morning routine or they go out for jogging or workout. If you do this, you have to ensure that you put on a very comfortable bra, a bra with molded cup, so that it gives you support. I want you to observe something while I'm doing this. If I had not been putting on a bra, naturally I want to do some simple routine, like, okay, if I want to jump, you can see the more I jump, my breast is bouncing. And imagine if I had not been putting on a very molded bra, a bra with a molded cup to give me support, how will it have been? Then there'll be a lot of flabbing and bouncing. Do you get? But now that I'm putting on a molded cup, it's helping me give support. Then I can jump, I can jog, I can do whatever it is I want to do. I can flap my hands, flap my leg, do everything I need to do. I can skip. If you're the type using a skipping rope, you can skip, you can do everything you need to do. And the bra is going to give you the necessary support that you need. So another thing that I'm saying is, for those of us who do workout, we should ensure to get a fitted, comfortable bra with molded cup. That will give us support while we go out about our routine in the morning to avoid the breast from sagging. And another thing is, you can see me doing my routine this morning. I'm trying to encourage everyone at home there that you should try once, at least maybe twice in a week or so. I know we're busy with hustling and bustling of life. Try to ensure that you exercise yourself well, so that you can have a consistent weight control. If you gain weight today and few weeks after down the line you had weight, you gain weight, you had weight, during this process your body goes through expansion and shrinking of some particular muscles in your body, and some tissue, they start stretching out. Even the tissue in your breast, when you had weight, it becomes, your boobs become fuller and bigger. And when you lose weight, you tend to shrink again. And when this becomes inconsistent and is irregular, your weight, like you added weight, you lose weight, you added weight, you lose weight, before you know what's up, then the tissues in your breast then they stretch out, and then your boobs flab, and then your breast sags. So to prevent that, ensure that you maintain your weight. It's not easy. It requires a lot of exercise, routine. It requires you to check your diet, the kind of food you take, reduce your calories and carbohydrate intake, and try to supplement with a lot of protein, fruits, and vegetables. So the other thing The third point of what you can do is, I said something. I said one of the reasons for breast sagging is multiple pregnancy, as I've said. So for you to be able to then prevent your breast from sagging, then you have to make a choice between childbirth and having a breast that stands well and does not sag. So what I'm driving at is, you have to make a choice. Is it that you want to add to the number of your family? If you want to increase the number of your family, you want to add to the number of your family, so you should know that automatically you are going to go through varieties or lots of pregnancy, maybe 2, 3 or 4 times, and definitely while you are having those pregnancy, going through pregnancy, your breast will definitely fall. It will sag. But the thing is either you make a choice between adding to the number of your family, or you want to maintain a hot, sexy body, then you don't have to give birth to too much children. So that is a choice you have to make from your hand. So if you want a body that is sleek, nice, with your breast standing in the right places and it doesn't sag, then maybe you try to reduce the size of your family and you give birth to like quite a few number of children, so you don't undergo several pregnancy or multiple pregnancy. Then if you want to add to the number of your family, automatically you have to you leave one for one. That's another one. Then the other thing I want to say, this concerns our men most, and ladies should pay attention to this. This is coming from my own view. I observe another thing is about things that causes breast to sag is some men don't know how to fondle the breast. Let me drop this so you can see me clearly. Some men don't know how to fondle the breast. When they're having sexual intercourse with a lady, or they're involved with a lady, they just want to touch her anyhow, do everything they needed to do. But I feel there's a way they should fondle the breast, because naturally when you do those things, it will help the breast to stay in its right place. Some of them just, they just press. I know you're not conscious of what you're doing, you are conscious of what you're doing, but when it comes to touching of boobs and all, the lady is responding to it actively and she's enjoying herself. You would want to pay extra attention to making her enjoy it and all, but in the process, try to fondle the breast in the right way. And I'm trying to use mine to do that. You do it in a circular upward, circular downward upward motion. Not that you start pressing as if you're pressing a foam, or you're squeezing out water from your sponge after bathing in the bathroom, or after using it to clean your dishes in the kitchen. No, you should try to fondle the breast in a circular downward upward motion, circular downward upward motion, circular downward upward motion, like that. That will help you when you go circular. It's like you're massaging the boobs, and by the time you raise it up, it's going to help the muscles at the lower part of the breast. And that will lead me to the fourth point, the fourth things we can do, or remedies to breast sagging, and that is exercise. There are some exercises we can do, like when you use a skipping rope, it helps the whole of the body, but while you're skipping, you see the upper part of your body is being lifted, and there is a lifting and a stretching. It stretches the lower muscle. I tell you, there's no exercise you can actually do for the breast itself, because the breast does not contain muscles. It contains Cooper ligaments. It's made of ligaments, not muscles actually. So there is no way you can really exercise it. But what you can do is to exercise the lower region, the lower muscles. So when you skip, when you use a skipping rope, when you involve in exercises that helps you to stretch the upper part of your body. I would have loved to lie down, but I don't have a very comfortable ground here. So you go on your back flat, and you come up, touch your toe, go back, come up, touch your toe, go back, come up, touch your toe. While you do this, all these will help to stretch the lower part of your breast, and it will help the muscle, so your breast tends to stay fitted and nice. And the other thing that you can do to help is which is what a lot of people go through, which is what a lot of people do, you can do breast surgery, plastic surgery, breast surgery. And it is very expensive. It is one of the best way to help the breast from sagging, but at the same time, I know it will definitely have its own effect. But if you're really looking at to having a breast that is fitted and is staying stable and does not sag, you might want to go for surgery or plastic surgery, breast surgery, to support yourself. And another thing I will say is this: you can get olive oil or goya oil or olive oil, and every morning after taking your bath, you use that to massage your breast in a circular downward upward motion. You see, when I pull it up, it goes up. You can see the muscles of the lower muscles under my boobs goes up alongside. So you have it in a circular upward. When you raise it up, then it goes down again, upward, circular, downward, upward, like that. You massage it every morning, and you ensure that you exercise, eat good food, and after childbirth, ensure that you put on a comfortable bra. Wear a comfortable bra. So the only time you should probably do away with your bra is at night when you want to sleep, or when you are in the house in the morning and you're just doing some normal house chores. So that'll be all today on this episode of Dynamic Series. If I have some other things, we'll try to come up with some other natural remedies that we can use to support our breast to stay supple and to stay in place, and it does not flap or it doesn't sag. So I want you to enjoy the rest of your week. I want you to ensure that you share this video with your friends and loved ones, and don't forget to support your girl. I want you to subscribe, I want you to like my videos, and I want you to share. I want to get to know people in your community, and I've said you can always suggest the kind of content you want your girl to shoot, and I would definitely deliver. You definitely trust me for that. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for always viewing my video, and if you're watching for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. That'll be all today. I love you all. Stay fit and ensure that you exercise every day, or probably number of days you can in a week. Thank you. I love you. Bye. I'm going back to my routine.